Alright, previous video was off the front porch of my house, and this is off the back porch. And you can see it's just absolutely covering everything. Like I said before, all these meteorologists, they're just making their best guess because they don't really know. And they did not see this coming until it was too little too late, I would imagine. Again, they're all like, it's only going to be a light dusting, none of it's going to stick. How about that? You see the cars down there getting basically covered. Right there you can see that's at least 4 to 5 inches on the banister or more. And I got a ruler here. See, it's about right at 5 inches right now, if the camera will focus. Here we go, you can start to see it now. A little bit. Oop. Come on, focus. As you can see right there is a 6-inch mark. And right down there's 5, so we're at 5 inches now at least. On this part of the deck. Over there it's piling up more, and probably on the ground it's 4 to 5 at least. And it's pretty much been coming down like this all day, so if I had to guess, I would not be surprised if we get to about 8 inches, maybe 8.5. Because from the looks of it, she's not letting up anytime soon. But it is beautiful. It's like something straight out of a Bob Ross painting. I absolutely love it. Yep, time to go back inside.